Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. Hopefully you guys are having a great day out there and everything is looking peachy keen. Remember, this video is not financial advice. This video is only education, entertainment purposes in the house. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. You know that, I know that. And guys, let's jump into the content right now. We're seeing that, Elon Musk in the house, he hasn't been honest with us. He has lied to us. I'm going to tell you why I think that and what's going on, guys. And that's one of the reasons that we're seeing that Dogecoin is not doing what it's supposed to be, because Elon Musk has lied to us in the house, guys. Some of you may like it, some of you may not, and some of you even may want to smash the dislike in the house. Go for it if that's what you think, but you guys need to watch this video to the end, guys. We're also going to talk about, we got some new ETFs, guys. We also got, looks like there was an exploit on Badger DAO. They've lost a ton of money. We're also going to talk about Grayscale going after Gary Gensler, using lawyers and trying to sue Gary Gensler in the house, guys, to get a decision overturned, guys. So this is really huge news. We're also going to talk about how I still think that Bitcoin and crypto markets are still bullish, even despite this whole Debbie Downer event that's happening and it's come from the Powell, guys. And I did warn you, I did tell you that with Jeremy Powell in the house, it's going to create negative impetus on crypto and it's going to drive the markets down. And I talked about that right there, guys. I talked about it right here, guys. Go back and watch this video, and I told you about all of the things that are happening right now. I told you it's going to happen, and guess what? It happened exactly like I predicted. And even the alien house predicted it too, guys. So remember, we're seeing that today the market is a little bit down. And remember, go down there, smash the likes, subscribe UYB in the house. You know you want it. You know you need to get it. Get it while you can. Don't forget to comment in the house right now. And guys and gals, let's take a look at it, guys. Let's take a look at it right now. You can see that Elon Musk, you guys know that, some time ago, Elon Musk confirmed that when he had 50% of the, when there's a confirmation of 50% clean energy used by the miners with a positive future trend, Tesla would resume allowing Bitcoin transaction. So Elon Musk, if you're watching this, we already know that the Bitcoin miners, the amount of their energy they're using is over 55% is using clean energy. And we have a future trend that's positive. So why has Tesla not accepted Bitcoin? Why has Tesla not accepted Dogecoin? That's $1 million. That's $100 billion question, Elon. All you're doing is you're doing what Zuckerberg is doing and Bezos is doing and the rest of the billionaire, the rest of the billionaire club is you're selling your stocks. And guys and gals, you're not keeping your promise. Elon Musk, if you're watching this, when are you going to accept Bitcoin for Tesla? When are you going to accept Doge? I'm calling you out, brother. I'm calling you out right now. The alien's calling you out, and we want to know. You got to tell us, because you're not being honest. You're not being truthful, and we need that catalyst to send Dogecoin to the moon, because this is one of the pivotal catalysts that we're waiting for, guys. So I'm just bringing it out there. Hopefully, if Elon Musk, hopefully he tweets. I'd love to see him tweet. And some of the Crypto Daily News for today, we got Badger DAO protocol suffers $10 million exploit. 1inch network raises $175 million at $2.25 billion valuation. Meta effectively ends crypto ad bans, and Fidelity is launching a spot Bitcoin ETF this week, guys. And we're going to talk a bit more about that. And then Square rebrands as Block. We're seeing that Dorsey is rebranding Square, and he's going to focus 100% on Bitcoin related payments. So this is really bullish news in the house. And some other news is Badger DAO reportedly suffers security breach and losses over $10 million right now. And smart contracts have been paused, but users are urged to revoke permissions to avoid any more losses, guys. So this is really bad news in the house. We're going to see that more and more, there's going to be more and more exploits, more and more rug pulls as we get closer to the top of this super cycle, guys. Some other news that's coming in right now, you guys all know that, Jerome Powell, the Debbie Downer, he's been talking about inflation, he's talking about recession, he's talking about curtailing the bonds and stuff. So Fed Chairman Powell says that the central bank will discuss acceleration its wind down of bond purchases, knowing as tapering at the end of December meeting. So that's one of the reasons we're seeing things coming down. The other reason we're seeing things coming down is because Fauci went on the news and said that they have their first Omicron case confirmed in California. So, and the market was surprised by a more hawkish Fed chair, given the fears about, the new variant Omicron, but expects but experts say potential Fed policy shift makes sense for reasons including changing, composition of Fed officers, blah blah blah. So basically, that's why we're seeing things go down, because we got the Powell and we got the Omicron, guys. So that's why we're seeing things. We saw the broader markets also go down quite dramatically. But right now, if we look at where Bitcoin was before, and this is zooming out, here's on the 4-hour chart, we can see that we saw previous this cycle, previous cycle, we saw 29K, and basing on extreme fear, and then all of a sudden we went up to this level, and then we went up to all-time high, guys. So that's when we were back in April, and we're seeing very similar setup here, and now we're at 54K, and this is basing on extreme fear, guys. So we're seeing exactly the same setup as we did previously before we ran to the all-time high for Bitcoin. So this tells me that we're still going to get $100,000 coming in December, guys. So buckle up, guys, buckle up. And let's take a look at Dogecoin in the house right now. But before that, let's take a look at BTC in the house, and you can see that BTC right now is trading at $56,265. We're still above the 21-day EMA right here. So the alien loves it, I love it, you love it, and but the thing is, we got to be careful, because if we get down below that, that's going to signal and confirm that the bull run is over, and the ugly bear is in the house, guys. So we can see that BTC on the hourly as well, we've dropped down considerably, guys, and this is because of the Omicron and the Powell thing. So this is not good, guys. This is absolutely not good in the membrane, and I don't like it, you don't like it. So let's take a look at Doge right now. So Doge did go up, had almost like a 9% spike, around about 4 hours ago, just under 4 hours ago, and it went as high as 22.6, and it's come all the way down now, and right now Doge is trading at around about 21.37. So it's interesting that this is the trend line that I painted a long time ago. This is this whole diamond, the diamond of doom area here. I call it the diamond of doom. And it's really important, and it's really necessary for Doge to get up past that. And to get out of this diamond of doom, we need to go to 22.6 in the house. And we did break past this diamond of doom right here, but we got rejected. So let's see if we can continue to get above that. And it's very critical for Doge to get above the 23 cents or this line. If we can't do that, then it's just going to be a Debbie Downer. And one of the main catalysts that we're waiting for is we need to have a Bitcoin reversal. If we don't see the Bitcoin reversal, then Doge is just going to stay where it is. And also, we need the Elon Musk to come in the house. We need Elon Musk absolutely to come in and say that Tesla's going to accept Bitcoin and Dogecoin. If we don't get that, then we don't get past 23 cents, it's game over for Doge. I'm just telling you like it is. You guys, a lot of you Kinder Egg people, you want to hear that things are going up forever. You want to hear that everything's going to 100x. Well, that's not life. That's not life in reality, guys. So you guys just have to keep in mind that sometimes we got to live in reality, guys. Some other news that's coming in right now, we can see that Fidelity Canada reported launching spot Bitcoin ETF, and they couldn't. Gary Gensler, he's not going to allow a spot ETF in the U.S. So Fidelity, they had no choice but to go to Canada, open up their spot Bitcoin ETF. And remember, that's where they need to actually buy the physical Bitcoin. And remember, Fidelity, they're into mining, they're into custodial, and they're in OTC services, guys. So this is really good, for Bitcoin, because it means that more people can ape into Bitcoin through the traditional market process. So this is really good. But we really need Gary Gensler to approve a Bitcoin spot ETF in America. And Grayscale is fighting back right now, because Grayscale tells SEC no basis to approve Bitcoin future ETFs and not spot. So basically Grayscale, they wrote a letter to Gary Gensler saying, look, you're approving Bitcoin ETFs, so why you're not approving spot ETFs? Because there's a similarity in process, there's a similarity related to both types of ETFs. So why not the spot ETF? So hopefully, Grayscale, once they lawyer up, hopefully Gary Gensler will look at that, and hopefully they'll give some approval. But I don't think that this is going to happen this month. If Gary Gensler does capitulate, it's not going to be until probably sometime in January, February, guys. So keep an eye on that. So let's take a look. We've got some other stuff coming in right now. We can see that Ethereum ETH supply on exchange just reached a 3-year low. And so, once again, I still believe that Ethereum is still going to be heading up to 6,000, 7,000, 8,000. I think it's going to peak out this cycle around about 10,000, guys. What do you guys think about that? And also you guys can see that if you go back to Travis King, you can see that there's been a whole bunch of stuff happening in November. We got Paradigm raises 2.5 billion. We got Crypto.com signs a 20-year 700 million deal with renaming the Staples Center. So you guys can just see there's been a lot of really bullish news happening in November, but the Moonvember got rejected, and that became a whole Debbie Downer event, guys. So that just it was not good. So if we take a look at the Shiba Inu price in the house, Shiba Inu is right now is at 22. It's just below the support line here at 43. So it's not looking good for Shiba Inu. I was hopefully that we would break down, we'd just go sideways, but it looks like we have absolutely gone down, guys. And I think that we could even retest the 32 level. So let's just keep an eye on this. I mean, we're just below the 43 level, so 43 support level that's now become resistance. So I'm going to turn that white, guys, or yellow, because it's kind of iffy right now. So let's keep an eye on that around about 10 p.m. Vietnam time. We'll revisit that, and let's see if we get above that, guys and gals. Let's take a look at the total market cap in the house. Total market cap is at 2.67 trillion. It was 2.7 this morning. The volumes are still pretty good, 101 billion, and the Bitcoin dominance is coming down. So that means that the altcoins should start pumping soon, guys. But we really need Bitcoin to giddy on up. And right now we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is at 56,389. That's down 1%. We're seeing that Ethereum right now is at $4,526, so 4,526. That's down 4%. We're seeing that BNB is still above 600, so that's pretty good considering that the markets are down right now. So you can see that right here, the markets right now are down around about, let me just give this a refresh to make sure we got the update. So the markets right now are down around about almost 2% in the house on CoinGecko. But this is Litecoin Watch. I like Litecoin Watch. I think the price is more realistic and it's better. We're seeing that right now that Solana is still doing pretty well considering that the markets are down 2%. Solana is still up 1.48% in the house, guys. ADA, I don't want to talk about ADA. It's at $1.58. It's still down 0.75% in the house. We're seeing that DOT is also down 5%, guys, and it's not looking good for DOT right now, guys. And it's 35% of its all-time high. Doge right now is doing what Doge is doing. It's almost neutral right now. It's down. It would just call that neutral. It's at 21. We're seeing that Avalanche is also down almost 7%. 7%, guys. What's going on? We're gonna have to get the red barrel for this one. And we're seeing that Shiba Inu is also down 7.15%, and that's down. And it's at 43, guys. It's just at the support line on the aggregate of Litecoin Watch. We're seeing that Luna is still on fire right now. Luna is only 4.7% of its all-time highs. We're seeing the CRO is down as well. It's at 71. Matic is up above $2, so hopefully it can stay there. So things are looking pretty mixed, but overall, some of the top projects are going down, guys. And like I said, we really need Bitcoin to turn around. And once again, we got this whole Debbie Downer event because of the Powell and the Omicron thing. So hopefully this will, blow off pretty soon, guys. So let's take a look at Ethereum right now. So Ethereum is breaking down below my, support line. I think we'll stay above that. I think we'll come on back, guys. I think hopefully by 10 o'clock things will come back. Come 10 o'clock at Vietnam time, because that should be around about 9:30, 10 o'clock New York time. So hopefully things will bounce back, guys. We're seeing that Sand as well. Sand is doing exactly what I said it would do. It will go all the way down on this trend line. Now I haven't adjusted it. I've kept it the way it is. And I think once Sand hits this line, it's going to consolidate, and then we're going to see a big bounce to the upside. Let's take a Solana is doing pretty good. It's being supported. Right now it's at 225, and we got some really big support around about 220. So that's looking pretty good, guys. So guys and gals, don't forget to go to my Twitter and follow. We got 3,313 people in the house, guys. So follow us on Twitter. Do it now, guys. Go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, comment. Show some love for the alien in the house, and don't forget to check out my linky winks, guys. Go down and check out my linky winks. Buy the channel coffee, become a Patreon member, guys, and do not forget to check out the merch. We got the love mug in house. Get the love mug. We got backpacks. We got pillow wheels, and guys, gear up with the OG gear. Christmas time is coming, and do not forget to go to Zen Music and subscribe YB over there right now. Do it right now. Guys, I just want to say God bless you. Be with God, go with God, and make every second count, guys. Do not panic. Things are going to get better. Things are absolutely going to get better. This whole Jeremy Powell, Omicron thing is going to wash out in the next 48 hours. So hopefully the tide will turn. And Elon, if you're watching, I'm calling you out, brother. Where is our Bitcoin for Tesla? Where is our Dogecoin for Tesla? You need to bring it on. You promised you'd do it. Community is waiting, guys. Do not let the community down, Elon. We're waiting for you, brother. Okay, guys. God bless each and every one of you. I'll see you in the next one. Woo!